It's tips and tricks with Tyler and Terry.
Set your offset.
All right, got her off. How do I get rid of these cut lines?
What's up, Donnie?
Hey guys, how can I get rid of these cut lines?
Are you utilizing your offset?
What is offset?
And you were worried about match lines.
Well, let me get up here and show your operator how to use it.
All right, thanks, man.
What's up, JD?
What's up, Dan?
Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to use that offset we were talking about.
Cool.
So we're gonna use this button right here. If we hold the button to the right, it's gonna shift the rear drum to the right, to the left, and shift it to the left.
All right. Is there any way I can center this up?
Yeah, so we just hold this button down right here, and it's gonna snap the rear end right back in line with the front.
All right. So is there any indicator that shows me when I'm back straight?
Yeah, absolutely. So in the display here in the bottom right-hand corner, we're gonna have these two little boxes, and that's gonna represent the front drum and rear drum. So you're gonna see the drum, or the box move depending on which way the drum is shifted.
Is there anything that I'm not supposed to do while I'm on the mat?
So you definitely don't want to use the offset while you're sitting still on a hot mat. You want to be moving, otherwise it's a possibility that you tear the material.
All right, cool. I'll keep that in mind.
All right, sounds good.
Thanks.
Thanks, Dan. That was awesome. So why and when would you want to offset the drum like that?
So like we saw here with the cut lines, I'd offset those that rear drum so I didn't have all the weight, or I dispersed the weight between the two drums, right? Also going along a curb line. If you're on an articulated roller and you come across it, coming away from the curb line, the rear drum wants to smack the curb, chunk the curb. So if you offset the rear drum in away from the curb line, and when you peel away, the rear drum will now miss the curb. Going around a radius or a cul-de-sac, same scenario. Offset inside to miss those curves. And then also if we're doing like an unsupported edge like we were here today, instead of vibrating down the unsupported edge and shoving the material and cracking it, you can offset the rear drum towards the inside of the mat, and then you can support the roller better to not do that.
Now, is it particular models or does all of the Hum machines do this?
For Hum, it's all the articulated rollers. So our HD Compact line and our HD Plus.
Okay. About how much can you offset?
So on the HD Compact line, we can mechanically offset 2 inches in one direction. On the HD Plus, we can do 6.5 inches either direction hydraulically.
Okay.
Hold on. I'll be right back, guys.
All right.
Look at this HX roller, man! Woo! Do you think this is more than 6 inches?
That's 52 inches of offset right there.
That's 118 inches of double drum action, baby.
That's a whole lot of coverage.
I know that's right.